To overcome the consequences of trauma quickly, you must understand your relationship to the past and how to reframe it. We cannot change the past, but we can change how it affects us in our everyday lives. In today's guided meditation, this is exactly what we are going to do. Now, take a moment just to be still, to settle into today's journey. Set your intention to success and bring your attention entirely to this moment. It's time to create a visual representation where you can see yourself standing at a crossroads. See the past behind you disappearing into the distance. It no longer has a hold on you. And the future is stretching out before you. Unknown, awaiting the next instruction. You have no negative anticipation, no fear. Your heart and mind are open. As you stand at this crossroads of time, notice what is flowing through your mind. Whatever is there is what needs your attention today. Don't allow yourself to be intimidated. Don't recoil. Accept what is with compassion and love. Whatever is flowing through you is not you, and it is important that you don't become attached to it and fall under its spell. Notice what's passing through you, but more importantly, notice the separateness, the clear distinction between your thinking and feeling and who you are. You are the one sitting in the watcher's seat. And from here, you notice the difference in your body. There is more space in your chest, more depth and steadiness in the breath, less urgency to fix or control. Your mind also reflects this spaciousness, this freedom. There is a greater sense of certainty and poise. Just enjoy this experience for a moment, standing at the crossroads of time. It's now time to walk into the future. With this realization that you are more than the sum total of your thoughts and feelings, Now, when a negative thought arises, you do not battle with it or follow it. You acknowledge it, but keep walking. See yourself confidently striding forward, unaffected. Equally, when an emotion swells, you allow it to move through you without letting it alter your pace or direction. This is how you can live beyond the influence of trauma, walking into the future, unencumbered by the past. So you notice, but you're not defined by what is passing through you. You listen, but do not allow your identity to be displaced, leaving you free to respond instead of reacting. You're free to choose instead of obeying. Continue to move forward with this awareness and understanding. Notice how the world looks when you leave the past behind you. It's more vivid and vibrant. Your experiences are more meaningful and more insightful. You, the watcher, are not drowned out by the noise of the perpetual telling of stories. Your inner narrative is wise, patient, and kind. You're able to find solutions effortlessly. No problem feels too great, because you are the solution. And when you do lose your way, because at times you may, you recognize the path sooner, because you pause and you return again and again to who you really are. The awareness, the wise observer, the one who is already there when the thoughts and feelings arise. So practice on a daily basis, stepping out of the story. Do this now. It is really important to remember this is not a one-time event. Waking up takes focused attention and regular practice. And each time you return to it, the knowing is strengthened. To help you with this, just quietly recite these beautiful sentiments. I am not my thoughts. I am not my emotions. I am the awareness that walks forward, not gripped by the past, not afraid of the future. whole and intact, ever present, ever knowing. Let these sentiments travel with you, quietly, steadily, and seize as many moments as you can throughout the day to keep moving forward, blessed by this understanding and awareness. I am not my thoughts. I am not my emotions. I am the awareness that walks forward, not gripped by the past, not afraid of the future, whole and intact, ever present and ever knowing. When you're ready, come back into the room, carrying this presence with you. Carry it with you into the next moment and the next. This is the way to be free from the past and the consequences of trauma, sadness, and pain. Remember, there's no future in the past.